my stuff online. Proud of anything you they do online. I be proud blogger online. Media.com online. Go check my stuff online. Proud of anything you they do online.
Madam, I mean your mom say wa frame me. E no se afia. Me do nyame din sraw. Ko na ko chire nsemu. E chire Ghana fo because Ghana fo no ebinum entinsem no ase. So I am doing this for my sister. When I am done, I am done. Just as I said yesterday, I owe no one explanation to my actions. But for the sake of my family, I will do this. Sometime August, miti Kumase, Ena obi ka kire me say, menko na me he Kantanka TV. Me ko so TV no. Na girl bi see a friend no Mona Gucci at TV no so a interview Miss Bill on the television station. On TV so na sa the phone your friend Miss Bill no. E kwot na o se mi ko Kumase e ko di kraman e na me je $5,000. Yan fanton chain. O wie ye no e no se next week Mede asumesi ebeba ba be kan amna kebi. And then next week the TV station invited Tornado to come and sit on the TV station to insult my father. During Tornado's interview, no, Oma Apostle Kodosafo shoutouts. Oma Neba Kodosafo Jr. shoutouts. Emma MCR, more winning TV, no. MCR, we are more dying more. Omo control machine, no. MCR for us so retreat back. Se Kodosafo Jr. Ese wo chia Tornado. Emma no kwa wo man sika wo ho. Ono free ho no. No se me dia kwapin polo beba. Na kwapin polo so aba be ka bia ka ho. E no dia kwapin polo ba nti we kwa ese omo bo baton with TV no so. We kwa no hand battle na ma we. Na tie. Yes panini a otena seman kwalare na nka no. Ye ka na nkanrefo a oka ho. Asemi si ya na me fa fun. Na me frɛ nana ya before you say honor your father and mother no. Honor your father one can say go and honor somebody's father. So when you sit down for somebody to disrespect my father, I can also disrespect your father. And you don't come and sit here and preach honor your father. Assembly started August, I picked a phone. I called Nanaya Ruby's GH. Say me pe Kodosafo Kantanka number. Or si won timi mfa mame. Enti me ka kire se ka kire wo boss say. Ensuo kwota wo bia nu. Ba ye nyina ye jai na ya ti fufuo. Media ubedi di matema emfa me ho. Because me enam de me ho aba na mo ye me. Na emu ye wa adwene. Se me se ko eje 84 years ubedi na tem. Uye wadwene se me maame ye cha 76 years ubedi na tem. Uye wadwene se James and John omoto omebi omebo udin ubedi wo matem ne kura wa mu ho na aso de beba makoma no so ade e pena so de ani ubedi bin me ka kire sister no se ka kire wo mo se enta su kokko wo bi anu ba ye jaiti fufu enye baako enye mienu August, September, October, November me fa fun na me frɛ Mona na me ka kire Mona say dear mo yi asam no afiri me so e de come papa ni na busua so ene me ma so Mona careful because someone better TV so discussing me no they are not my size. They are not my size. And Mona careful. And I'm almost the winning podium, won't forget it. Mona Moon. What shall I say if you are in slow? I am living on. I have lived life. If I die today, I have been me baby as a chili am channel or can you put 10 bone grom chelisa. Again, I mean, I went to you, cast na mento, if you na mean to be be a was in the penny, be a my yebi, Cortier na mindi, Medi Cortia would wow. As you can see, Medi Bruni Cortin and our Medi Bibini Corte. Just say, dear Bill and you, but I told them, Mimi mother, sit down and do calculation. Nebusa said, why let any baby? Why mama can fiash was nigger, if yash was nigger cocan. Me make once more, Mimi make cow, but say, well, move home. Now the cross it, now the bar. Nancy come in that day. Kwadosa Kantanka Junior. I'm a warm platform. Nobody see her. Now me papa 84 years. Yes, super no near grown home. Near grown me mammy home. Motivates mobits not TV. So, some me papa 84 years no. Or your junkie. Now me first station now. Station boss and I say, only me a fiashwas nigga. And Casa ain't coming again. Atem did any formula. Atem did any formula. Mamma Sam woman in Amon Kaya Samiamity way. Meaning, I tell Kodosa Kantanka Jr. So for me to pick a phone and say I want to talk to Kodosa Kantanka Jr., it means I have given them the first respect. Then you come back to tell me, sir, you don't want to talk to me. But you will let somebody sit on your platform and ridicule my father. And there will be no commercial break. Will be no adverts. More timmy for part time, no more adverts. Now I just want to find out. More timmy for part time. Maybe papa do you me papa you hear ni posa. And until then you me shrame. Say me am shrame papa ye. E papa ye hear ni. Until then you me shrame. Say the me shrame papa ye. Mo abuja na go and apologize. Have they apologized to my parents? TV station, no. Have they apologized to my parents? Have they? Abu Madam. A damn and a wagana for bitim. A nyansan a binimun timisua. Ha! Media me papa di or yan to my go when you so. By me many sono or ye Versace. Said your moon will be so your Prado no. Messi Waje or ye Versace. What's that TV so say me papa 84 years. Oh my obi better say me papa ye junkie. Na otigeto. Na my phone. Na my first station ho. Na maka say Kwajosa say he can't talk to you. Sir! Kwajosa say he can't talk to me. But Kwajosa can give somebody platform to come and insult my father. And you only two friend me. Say Nansu or baby or Bia or Nansu. Maybe mother, I will not apologize to any Tom, Dick, and Harry. If anybody wants an apology from me, they should apologize to my innocent father. And apologize to my mother. Me papa, on Tigeto. Me papa, on the Rasta man. Me papa, my father was a chartered accountant. On call police station. My father worked in a government institution. Me papa, yem fani kojina baby. My father had never been cited in any corruption issue. So my father, Augustine J, can be anything, but he's not a thief. He's a very respected, honorable man. Who call me Kroma? Me papa ba and Krofokuto. Said your mom will be so in Ameno. Me papa will nipa bebre na nkopon. Don't insult my father and think that what would is sharing him. Don't. Me so we in the first week of August, second week of August, third week of August, fourth week of August, September, October, November, December, cram mine, what the ababo ni tirimua, obe cow. What the cram mine, it's nasi, na the ababo ni tirima, obe cow. My father is nothing to you, but he's my everything. What's nasi? No my ye fiasha sega, no my enema, no my ye Tracy, no my enema, no my really no more commercial. Aren't you people rich enough? Must you circulate lies about me in order to make money? I thought the Kantanka family is very rich. Now who you be at there? No one man will respect. No one far phone. Now I frown. I want to speak to your boss. Now boss, now my reply said, no, don't give my number to so and so. Excuse me, Mr. Boss. Because just African Tanka Junior, no now feeding me. I know now feeding me. Man frawan sana mi tofi. Man frawan sana mi tofi etosu mi no. Man frawan sana mi tofi etosu mi ensa. Man frawan sana mi tomeka. It is just a respect be na me de mao so that all this wouldn't have happened. I decided to give you the platform, the respect to correct your mistakes, so that all this, what me my GH Hyper, I called GH Hyper, and I told GH Hyper, me who se who posti Kwado Safo Kantanka Junior. Me yana number and to sa kachira ne say. Me a fear dear. If you speak ill about me, I don't care. It is me. Me I'm doing one about for ya mama you. You can be a family. Na me papa, I won't say na one kasada. Me mama ye cha, I would tell the baby, I drain the diabetes on. Me man, I know dear. I know dear. Now someone I win him say my madam. I win him say my madam. Aren't you surprised that I have kept quiet? More year in August, more year in September, more year in October, more year in November. Ghana for Ghana for mad do sign. And obi bakwa TV so someone kramaya da. Ah dey chi abetimi akokoro. Kwoto die ne bodwe. How many of you stupid women are on Facebook and Jimmy no? Ah, obi baka se me kaya na ni passes in kramaya da. Ah, ade chia ubetimi apie. Akokoro. If you shall snake aduane ni pa me yedua me ya ahoma. Ene ma me kan chewe. The auto buo kan no on the den tokwa bai. Ene ntokwa any formula. Entokwa any formula. What did you make no? Entokwa any formula. Obia bon yonku baby a ebeye ne ya. Enti se Kwado Safo Kantanka Junior. Etnase Emma Obi Didi, another CEO of a media house at Temudia. Enye ye. Me more na minim no. Ena more na nyam na mfa na dwuma. Eye wo Kwado Safo Kantanka Junior. Wo na fa na dwuma. So when she sit down and give people platform to ridicule my parents, it is you. Adverts no mo bo so no. Omo fa sika ne ma mo na nkofi o. Omo bo advert no program so a. Ye di sika na ma station no. Aha. I don't think as a we obi. Who did you obi atama? No the wo any TV station no. Akọ court na ha. Ene no obi na wa daje o de be court. Ene obi a maybe I mean court o. Ba kwa na be evidence. Na me de ahia. Now me say every August, September, October, November. Me papa get to buy no tie. Now me papa to get to her. Omo no adu o ma bet na no say papa to get to no. Omo papa no te hin. Omo papa no, omo te hin. I have said it again and I will say it again. Me papa do you hear you? I have never said it anywhere that my mother, I was born with a silver spoon. I was not born with a silver spoon. No, me yo hear ni ba. Ene nyame eshira me. Me papa hu hia. Enti na nyame eshira ne ma. There are a lot of rich people who didn't live to be 84 years. My father is 84 years, weak and feeble, won't cry working sick, on one and nante. Me yo yeni bentin and yamia den, eshirame. And to Tnasia, Jai me papa here no, because me ankasa, me papa here no, a chiapia, edamano. But all more say, ever discussing me papa no, where are their fathers? Where are their papa to sing? One papa, what to sing? Baby, I'm there saying this, I have there see. I will not get up and go. Shame on your stupid mother. Shame on your stupid mother for raising a fool like you. I will not go and get up. Maybe sorry, did you be at them? One thing is a Ghana for my memory. Said your papa became a short. And to want to ask on your calculation. Mr. Kantaka TV, I will be caught now to say, and here and you could cry 5,000 movie and no more trap. Now, there are 2 stations YouTube channel. Said about YouTube, so the mom was gonna be any muntier. Any muntier. Quite Jay or quite was so or war and my papa, my you're also by. Oh, my bed said 10 years. Baku pet. In fact, you me, let me know see Asara. You about them. Me papa, mammy, you know about them. Now, but down 47. Now, so what they make papa any move by your former. Massa. I gave them the benefit of the doubt. I called the station and 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 called the station. Tell your boss to put his bitch in order. It is not too much to ask. It is not too much to ask. Now you see what come to qua. Now we refia kika because now we refia say obiti says arama no sebo. E ho no kwa sorry papa no ne ba no. Now we refia say me am business partner o say me nua afram. Papa ne ba now we refia. Wo come to qua now we refia. E dia pa na no mpesa me ye. In this case, anybody that wants me to come out to apologize to anyone should be the first person to call them to sit on that TV and apologize to my family. And then answer for. If they render the first unqualified apology, why not? So don't me papa chow. Say papa, dear Kayan I'm funny kwanso. And you know, ya can ye jaineka. Miss Sumaba Pacho. What you say? There is nothing wrong with them upon Utimi, I could try me. Aden Kofa, Monshe, Yasha, Snake, Papa. Oh, Papa Wayne. What's the papa near? Maybe a papa, dear men, fanning see you. Men, family papa, and see you. Men, family papa, and see it. And I'm a papa when you're junkie. My father is a very learned, intelligent, well-traveled man. Well-traveled. Abroche. Ghana, minim Ghana kura. Me papa nko ye adwuma wo ho. E ma me mother minim nyo obaya. Ye nko school ho. Minim baby ko. From Tamale to Boligar to minim baby ko Ghana hankwampo. Minim my father was an STC accountant. My father. Mumusa said, one person of Fefra by one. Mumusa. My father is not a thief. So what do you show him? Now I want to say, who be treated the animal boss. And ye Jinamimo Bruhuso, a camubiate. Street, I am see your street too. What I say? See, I see will be one Quasiafra. Miss me will be. I have people on the street. Metise Kromaya Muana. But I will not apologize to somebody who insulted my parents and didn't apologize. Me say me far from Alfred station no. Me friend Anaya, me friend GH Hyper, me friend Anaya, me friend GH Hyper, me friend Anaya, me friend me. Do your investigation. 1982, 1983, 1984, almost 2000. Now my papa, STC accountant. Me so me ya wo me dada ba wo. Ya wo me obango. Enye na STC o. Enye na STC. Ai, ya wo me bango. Now me go school as state transport and be family. When ya papa. When ya me papa wanya ma bro. Me papa ko eje wanya ma bro. Enti me mma ena bi nanya me tumi so aka ma obi akwase ampani bi ate se no me a enyi nyina so de asafo awrade se enyina ne enyina china o china chinso enyina enti obi bie na no aka bibia afa me ne ma ho de me born it back to sender in the mighty name of Jesus. Me born it back to sender by the power of the blood of Jesus. Me born it back to sender and bra money mo busu afo so e wo Yesu de marie wo a wo twa apology no tsena se apology na be na ntia ba why
Go check my stuff so online. Proud of anything